What's up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Recently, I moved into a new house and it's been so hectic. There's so much work that goes into moving. If you've ever moved, it is a huge pain in the ass. But we're in the house now, and the most amazing part about all this is that I was able to design my dream studio. Now, it's not completely finished yet, but it's done enough to where I just can't wait any longer. I want you to see it, and I'm so excited to show it to you. Here we go. Okay, so my studio, excuse me, is on the second level, and I thought this was pretty neat. I hung it up. I got Creative Bath Lab Incorporated. My son's back there, you can hear him. And I ordered a new desk and console for right there. I don't know what that is. See, this was all open, and I had them enclose this entire space and put French doors. I hung those or installed those. Isn't that cool? Who knew I was so handy, right? Y'all didn't know. Now you know. So this is my sanctuary. Like, seriously, I'm just, oh my God, I'm so excited. So look at that. These, I hung those as well. It only took me about three and a half hours. But you know, it does kind of piss me off just a little bit. My husband coming here last night and he hung those in 15 minutes. So as you can see, I have lots and lots of cabinet space. I ordered all these cabinets, that way I don't have to look at all my junk. It's like neatly tucked away. Closet. Now again, this is not finished. It's not even halfway done. I'm gonna have custom shelves built in here and to where I can put up all this junk. And I want it's gonna be all nice and neat to where if I come in here, it's gonna be, you know, shelves. Lots of shelves. Originally, I wanted every square inch of the walls covered in cabinets. It's like all that was gonna be cabinets, that section, and then that wall as well. But the thing about cabinets is that they're very expensive and I went over budget. So, but as you can see, everything is nice, neat, organized. It just takes a lot of getting used to. Junk drawer, everybody has one of those. Oh, this is nice. This is all my dried herbs, flowers, and fruit. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, I can smell it. See, as soon as you get close to this, you can smell the scent coming. It's just, beautiful. It smells so nice. Smells so good. Lazy Susan, gotta love those. Really neat. Haven't figured out what to put on them. I don't know. It's just so much space, so much decisions. Okay. This is all the props that I use to take pictures with. You know, like all the stuff there. And in this one as well. And then, ooh, I actually installed those as well. Now, you can actually tell me if you think they're tacky. My husband comes here, oh God, you really are tacky, aren't you? I'm like, what are you talking about? Look at those knobs. I'm like, sweetheart, that is classy. That is not tacky. And you know what? You don't even know what you're talking about because that makes that pop. That makes that, right? Yeah, so that's about it. Guys, you saw it all. Yeah, let me know what you think. You know what? I'm gonna have to give another tour though when I get better lighting and it's completely finished. Okay, so that's the tour. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.